Welcome to July 30th LeetCode Challenge. Map sum pairs. Implement the map sum class. Map sum initialize the map sum object. The insert function inserts the key value pair into the map. If the key exists, the original key value pair will be overwritten to a new one. The sum function will return the sum of all the pairs whose key starts with the prefix. So say we call our map sum object here, and we want to insert apple. That's going to be the key, and we want to insert with the value 3. And we want to find the sum of all the values whose prefix starts with AP. Since the only value inside, the only key inside the sum and inside the map is apple, which starts with an AP, then it's going to give return 3 because the prefix of AP is an apple, and which is the value is 3. Say we insert the word app, and we assign it to the value 2. Now we want to find the sum of all the prefix keys that have AP in them, and we want to find the sum of their values. So app, app starts with AP, apple starts with AP, so the sum of the values of apple and app is going to be 5, so 3 plus 2. Alright, so for this approach, let's look at our constraints. Less than 50 calls to be made. Values between 1 to 1,000. Key and prefix only lowercase. That's good. And key values and key length, prefix length are less than 50 and between 1. So whenever you see key starts with prefix, you want to think of a try structure. But I'm not going to do that because it requires a lot of work to write up another thing here, another definition class. So I'm just going to go with brute force and using a hash map. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start off with self.map. Yeah. And I'm going to assign that to a set. So it's a pair mapping. And the next thing I'm going to do is self.map. And I'm going to find the keys, develop a hash map here. So the keys assigned to val. Alright. Key in val. So it's a hash map structure. Next I'm going to do is define, let's see, it's going to be pairs, pair sum, I think would be a good word for that. Call it output 2. Pair sum is pair sum, and that's going to be assigned to 0. And then I'm going to iterate through the key values in the map. For key in self.map, what I want to find is if the key itself starts with the prefix, then I'm going to add that to the sum. Pair sum added to some self.map and the key. And I want to return the pair sum. Alright, let's see if this works. Key, if key, so yeah, key dot starts with is actually like a built-in map function. Alright, looks the same. Okay, accepted, awesome. So for the complexity analysis, time complexity be for every insertion we do is a big O of constant space because it's a hash map insertion. Every sum function we do is a big O of n times n the number of items in the map, and p is times p, which is the number of letters in the prefix, or the length of the prefix, I should say. Because we're doing this starts with prefix type of, so n number of items in the map times the number of the length of the prefix, it will be the time complexity for this function, sum. Space complexity is the space used by the map, so it's linear size for all key inputs and value, key and values combined, so it's linear space complexity. Alright, that's it. Have a nice day, guys.